Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can use RSI indicator for your crypto coins on your Binance app. You can use RSI indicator and other indicator EMA indicators on your Binance app. For that, just open your Binance app on your mobile phone, and here at your home page you can see at the bottom there are different options. Click on the market option. Now in market option, click on any coin which you want to apply RSI indicator. That's why I will click on this Bitcoin. When you click on Bitcoin, here just below the candles, you can see there are multiple options in a row. Like first one is MA, the second one is EMA, the third one is ball BOLL. Just scroll down, slide down from right to left, and here now you can see the option called RSI. Click on this RSI. When you click on this, here the RSI indicator has been turned on. Now you can see the RSI value is 39.19 currently. So this is the RSI indicator. So it's not a financial advice, but I am guiding you. If RSI indicator is below 40%, the very good is like 30% or 25%, you can get entry in that coin. And when RSI indicator is above 80%, then you can go for selling and book your profit. So this is how you can apply RSI indicator or any other indicator on your Binance app.